Hello everyone. Today I am going to unveil an ancient engineering technology rock interlocking system used 800 years ago in India. The temple I am talking about is a Shivalayam. Here Lord Ramalingeshwara is worshipped. Marco Polo called the temple the biggest star in the galaxy of temples during his visit to the Kakatiya Empire. Ramappa temple stands majestically on a 6 feet height star-shaped platform. At that time, the temples were built by the kings in such a way that it withstands all natural disasters. It withstands even the earthquake. Biggest test for this temple was an earthquake in the 17th century. The flooring was rocked by the waves while the pillars and the vertical structure stayed intact due to their construction technology. Builders created a complex interlocking system with multiple different cuts in each stone block, mostly the male-female model connectors. Do you know wood joinery? It is one of the most basic concepts in woodworking. This will make multiple pieces of woods join together and behave like a one piece. Most similar approach is taken by an ancient engineers of Ramappa temple. They have connected almost all stones of a temple block using this interlocking or joinery methods. I think this is why the temple resists earthquakes. To demolish temple, one must lift and push entire temple at a time. No single stone block could be demolished separately because all the stone blocks are interlocked. Please see this base made for the god or goddess idol. Here see this rectangle hole. Definitely there will be a god or goddess idol with a bump that can be fixed exactly into this hole. Every pillar in this temple looks like a monolithic, but it has multiple joints. You can see the most similar kind of rocks in Thousand Pillar Temple and Warangal Fort as well. In Warangal Fort, you can see fully finished structures, unfinished structures and some demolished structures also. I will give you mind-boggling details about Warangal Fort in my next video. If these stone structures are interlocked, how an ordinary laborer can understand the order of fitting rocks? I am raising this question because it is such massive construction and there are thousands of rocks connected to construct the temple. It is very much difficult for an ordinary laborer to understand the sequence of stone structures. I was surprised after knowing the secret. When I see the elephants carved on the rocks, I initially thought it is a decoration. But I was wrong. Where every elephant carved here is having a purpose, will guide the laborer about the direction to fit one stone to another. And also, these elephants are showing us how different statues and massive stone blocks were carried to the temple. Coincidentally, I saw two elephants lifting a statue of Lord Ganesha. Out of curiosity, I have verified whether the same statue is there in the temple or outside the temple or not. The same statue of Ganesha found in front of the temple. See, the four hands and weapons, everything is same as in the image. There was another black basalt statue of Ganesha, 100% matching with the details. Then I thought, if elephants were showing the directions to fit the stone blocks, there will be some signs to fit the statues of dancing women on roof also. After a bit research, I got the signs. See the black basalt statue of a musician playing drums. The same image is carved in the bottom. Another image of dancing woman wearing a flower garland carved at the bottom of it. See this image of a lady. Her dress got slipped in the bottom, and at the roof monkey is pulling the dress. When I see this, I got a doubt that why an ordinary woman whose dress pulled by a monkey carved on a giant statue installed on the roof of this temple. Is this really meaningless, or is it giving any message? See this woman posing like carving something. If you see the giant statue at roof, which is exactly above it, you can observe a figure with similar features. I think this would be the hint to labor who are carrying and fitting these statues. You can observe that the dress is also almost same. These are only few that I have found in my research about the carvings in this temple. If some of the images are carved purposefully, do you think other images carved just for decoration? I don't agree with that idea. There is a lot of scope for research about the images carved on these temple walls. These all are symbolic language to communicate many important facts about the temple construction and civilization of that time. Let me know your opinion in comment section. Please subscribe, like, share. Thank you. You are Uday Kumar.